Bill of lading is a receipt obtained by the shipper of goods from the carrier, trucking company, railroad, ship or air freighter, for shipment to a particular buyer. It is a contract protecting the shipper, by guaranteeing payment, and satisfies the carrier that the recipient has proof of the right to the goods. The bill of lading is then sent to the buyer by the shipper upon payment for the goods, and is thus proof that the recipient is entitled to the goods when received. Thus, if there is no bill of lading, there is no delivery.